Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of robotics and technology. In today's episode, we are diving into the realm of humanoid robots, Tesla Bot. Get ready to witness the incredible capabilities of these humanoid robots. Tesla Bot is a humanoid robot that is being developed by Tesla. It was first announced by Elon Musk in August 2022. The Tesla Bot is designed to be a general-purpose robot that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as manufacturing, customer service, and healthcare. It is also designed to be affordable and accessible to a wide range of people. The Tesla Bot is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. It could be used to automate dangerous or repetitive tasks, provide companionship to the elderly and disabled, and even teach and care for children. However, there are also some concerns about the Tesla Bot. Some people worry that it could be used for malicious purposes, such as espionage or warfare. Others worry that it could lead to job losses, as robots become capable of doing more and more tasks that are currently done by humans. It is still too early to say what the ultimate impact of the Tesla Bot will be. However, it is clear that it is a technology with the potential to change the world in a profound way. Here are some of the key features of the Tesla Bot. It is about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs about 125 pounds. It has a human-like appearance, with a face, arms, and legs. It is powered by a battery and can walk, run, and climb stairs. It is equipped with sensors that allow it to interact with its environment. It is capable of learning and adapting to new tasks. The Tesla Bot is still in development, but it is clear that it is a technology with the potential to change the world. It is possible that the Tesla Bot will be used to automate dangerous or repetitive tasks, provide companionship to the elderly and disabled, and even teach and care for children. The Tesla Bots now appear to be able to walk stably, pick up objects, and recognize objects, according to new video that Tesla has posted. At the gathering for the company's shareholders, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk showed the footage. In the video, the Tesla Bot project is seen to have undergone some noteworthy improvements. These include improved object handling abilities, improved motor torque control, and artificial intelligence (AI) training using human-tracked motions. More significantly, the humanoid robots can now walk straight without the help of Tesla employees. The latest and most impressive humanoid robots that are pushing the boundaries of robotics. From Sophia's to Ameca, these robots showcase the advancements in technology and the potential for human-robot interaction. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes as we continue to explore the fascinating world of robotics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.